Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Goodness Ocheche Emmanuel Lorifa. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make TikTok videos. Please stay tuned. So guys, click on your TikTok app. Now, click on this plus sign you are seeing below. Let me highlight it. This plus sign here, click on it to start making your video. Now you can see 3 minutes, 60 seconds and 15 seconds. So you can click how many seconds video you want to make. So click 60 seconds, for example. Then you can now add sound. This is where to add sound. Look up. So this is where to add sound. Now click on add sound. Then click on my sound. So it's going to take you to where you have your music. Then you can select any music of your choice. Let's say I select this one now. So you click it. Now click the red camera button to start recording and start making, maybe you want to sing the song. So when you are done, you click this when you are done, you click this, then you click next. So now watch out for this place. Watch out for this. Let me highlight it. This place. You can decide who who can watch this video. So you can click on this arrow. If you don't want to post it yet, click and save it to your phone by clicking this arrow like this, so that it will be on only me. So if you want to post it, click on everyone or post to only your friends. So I'm not gonna post it to everyone. I'm still gonna leave it on only me. So I will post it. To see the videos you have posted, click profile. Click profile. Then you can now go to your profile. Then if you want to see the ones you posted to yourself, the ones you didn't make public, click on this padlock. Okay, let me highlight it. Click on this padlock to see the ones you posted to yourself. So you can see the one I posted before that I didn't make public. So anytime you can decide to make it public by when you click on it, you can decide to now come and click privacy settings. Then you click here and then you can now share to everyone if you want to make it public. Else you can delete it if you wish to delete it by deleting it like this. Next step is how to use a sound on someone else's video. So let's say you want to use the sound on this guy's video now. Come here, click this place, click that place. When you click it like this, it will now come to this screen and say use this sound. You can also add the sound to your favorite so that next time you want to use it, you can just add it by clicking here and add it to your favorites. So I'm going to add it to my favorites now. It's added to favorites. So if I want to use that sound, then I'll click use sound. Then I'll start recording. Before then, let me show you how you can select different effects for your video. So click here to select effects. Click it like this. Then you can select any effect that you want, anyone at all. You see? So you can start recording your video. Felix Nadibia. Felix Nadibia. So this is basically how to make your TikTok videos. Next step is how to use effect you liked on someone's video. Let's say you want to use this effect now that this lady used on this video. So you click here, click it here. This is the effect here. Then click it like this. Then it will show you use this effect. You can also add the effect to favorite. I've already added it to my favorites. So you click use effects. Then voila, that's how to use it. And if you don't like the video, you want to record another one, you want to cancel the one you just did, you can easily click here, this place, to cancel. So you can, when you click it, discard the last clip, click on discard. Then you can record over and over again until you are satisfied with the video you want to post. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop comments. See you in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You can support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Please don't forget to drop comments, like, and also share to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye bye.